My dear friends, when we work in some companies or within our workplaces, so there, there are bonuses, there are high salaries, allowances, then commissions. These are the benefits which the companies or big companies afford, so that the workers also know it's a motivation for the workers to work harder and to reward them for the work well done. But today in the gospel we see it's a simple gospel today. Jesus is telling us, that what is the basic attitude a servant should have or a worker should have. That is, a servant should simply work, means and accomplish the work which is given to him or her by the household without expecting anything, without expecting any incentives or any benefits. Okay, he or she is not even called to recline at a table with the master, but he has to finish the work first, and then he has to look after his meals and all. Now, why does Jesus say? The purpose of this is basically he's trying to hint it to the scribes and Pharisees who, at that time, Jesus' time, were supposed to do their work, but we are not doing. Meaning, sense, they are supposed to lead the people in the way to the Lord. But on the contrary, they are doing what they want. They were doing these religious duties as if it was a contract between God and them. They were expecting a kind of a reward. They were expecting a kind of high position or maybe higher position in the kingdom. And we see this kind of attitude not only in the Pharisees and the scribes, but also in the disciples of Jesus. Also, if you read the scripture, for example, I can give you the example of the sons of Zebedee who asked Jesus for positions to the left and right when he comes into the glory. And Jesus is trying to, he's trying to make the disciples, and he's trying to tell us also that to be aware of these things, this kind of thing. When we work for something, we should not work for something in return, but we should give ourselves wholeheartedly into the work which is entrusted to us, the mission which is entrusted to us. We should also note that we cannot put God in debt. Salvation is something not owed to us by God, but it's a free gift. It's a free gift and a grace. We can't compare our work or the mission given to us to that of Jesus. Jesus has done a great sacrifice. It's a gift. He has given his life for us to save us from all the sins. And he has done it by showing us by going on the cross. Today, as we are reflecting on this reading, let us also keep in mind or bring to mind a good role model that would be our Blessed Mother. When she said those words after the angel Gabriel asked her or told her that she would become the mother of the Son of God, she said, "Behold, I am the handmaid of the Lord. May it be done according to your word." And in the conclusion, the concluding words of the gospel, so we hear, "When you have done all you have been commanded to say, we are unprofitable servants. We have done whatever we are obliged to." And we can see this clearly in the life of Blessed Mother Mary. She was a servant of God, God's perfect commands, and she knew her love for God obliged her to follow His will. So let us keep her as a role model in our lives, and let us continue to give ourselves wholeheartedly without expecting anything in return.